Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change Facebook page name. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Facebook page. Now to change the name of this Facebook page, first of all tap on these three lines on the top right and over here go to the settings and privacy. Now tap on the settings. And now you can see here page setting. Tap on this and now here is name. Tap on this name and over here you can see here is name and the text box to change your name. Just type your new name and just tap on this review change. After that you will be able to change this Facebook page name. But you can see here if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. That means for at least 60 days you can't change your name. I changed this name within 60 days, so I'll not be able to change this name. But you can change just by tapping on this review change. In this way we can change Facebook page name. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.